Samsung's One UI 7, currently in beta for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, introduces significant enhancements aimed at providing a more intuitive and personalized user experience. A key feature is the Now bar, which offers quick access to essential activities like music, recording, and the stopwatch directly from the lock screen, reducing the need to unlock the device frequently. The camera application has been redesigned for more intuitive control over advanced settings, with reorganized buttons, controls, and modes to simplify feature access and provide a clearer preview of photos and videos. Additionally, One UI 7 integrates advanced AI capabilities, including enhanced writing assist tools that allow users to summarize content, check spelling and grammar, and automatically format notes into bullet points without switching between applications. The update also brings a bold new design with simplified home screens, redesigned widgets, and a streamlined notification system, all aimed at fostering an inviting and cohesive experience. The official release of One UI 7 is scheduled to commence with upcoming Galaxy S series devices in the first quarter of 2025, with a gradual rollout to other Galaxy devices thereafter.